Guys, welcome to yet another video, and of course we're just going to get straight into it, right? So basically I was able to create a short video using ChatGPT and again Arena AI. So I actually did a few images right in ChatGPT just to tell the story that I wanted to tell. So this image was originally taken from Pinterest, right? So you can see the model right here, right? And I just went ahead to input my prompt just to say that I want for the model to be walking through the forest, birds here, various color of flowers, and of course you can actually see that there. Oh, I forgot to put her in flats, but she's in heels, right? So we're just gonna go ahead to our second image that I created. So I still reference to this image, right? The only thing is that in the second image, I wanted for a tiger to show behind the model. So of course, at this point, the model has not yet noticed a tiger, right? But she's still thoroughly through the forest. So in our third image, right, this shows where the model actually spotted the tiger and now she's running, right? So with these three images that was created in ChatGPT, we're definitely going to go ahead to move them over to Arena AI. So Arena AI doesn't go ahead to allow you to do multiple at once, right? So what I had to do was to input one image, right? And just to input the prompt that I wanted for that image to display, right? And because Arena take, let's say, about 2 minutes to populate the video, I went ahead to have the videos done before um, creating this video. So the first one, here it is, I went ahead to input the image and I just say show model image walking and looking around in the forest. So basically the model is just walking and looking around in the forest. And we have two options. They always give you two options, and then of course you can go ahead to select the option that best suits you. So that's the first one. And here's the second one. And this is the second one. So basically, whatever it is that you input in the prompt, right, that's what the model will be doing, right? Or your image itself will turn out to a video based on what you input. So I just inputted for the first image for the model to be walking in the forest and just looking around, admiring the forest, right? And of course, the birds, you can definitely see where they came to life. And now we have our second image. So this one, I wanted for the tiger to slowly be walking behind the model. So at this point, the girl has not yet realized that a tiger is behind her and she's still walking. So let me just show you a clip of that video. So here's the clip, and of course, the tiger walking behind the model. So let's go ahead and click on this one. And here we have the same exact thing. And again, I always say that Arena gives you two options. So after you go ahead to like look at each, then you can actually go ahead to select which one is best. So initially I was saying, hey, I want for the model to be running breathlessly and of course the tiger being behind her, but they're saying that that is not okay. So I went ahead to change my prompt here and just say I want for the model to be running and the tiger behind her. It actually gave me the same thing, right? But of course, I guess wording is very important at times. So let's just look at this one. And here's the other
A
one.
tiger! I have to run! Stay back!
That's so cute. So basically, all I did after this was just go into, uh, where am I? I just went into Canva just to put these videos together. Of course, you can actually do it into CapCut as well, but I already had Canva up, so I just input it there. So I'm just going to go ahead to play the video so you guys can actually see what I've actually created. And if it is that you want for me to do like this step by step, let me know, because of course it would have actually been a longer video. And I know we all got things to do, right? So I'm just going to play this so you guys can see. So, guys, that's basically it. And again, I'm definitely going to make other adjustments to this as regards to the noise and so forth. But let me just play it once more. Awesome. Okay, so if it is that you found this video helpful, please go ahead to hit on that subscribe button and don't forget to hit those comments. Let me know what you think.